Guys, because of some issue, last session got abrupted because of some technical glitch. Okay, so last session we were continuing from here, right? Git pull. After git pull, whatever the recent changes, we were checking from here, readme, and see our latest changes has been done. Okay, so in this way we are checking the latest changes, and we have merged from the local to remote repository, and we're pulling the files which has been changed in the global repository in the GitHub to our local repository, right? So we'll understand how we will change from the git bash, from the VS code, how we will merge the branch. Okay, so let's say we go to git checkout feature first. Okay, we are now in the feature first. Let me clear my screen. Okay, so now we are in the feature first. Okay, here the readme file is up to date. Let's say I will do some change in the readme. Yeah, readme. Okay, okay, this is a git tutorial. Okay, so I have done some changes. Okay, I will do git add, I'll do git commit, recent changes. Whenever we are doing any git commit, we do some message. Okay, so that is for any whatever changes we have done, we can give a message. Okay, so we'll do git push, right? So git is being pushed. Okay, so now we will see our global repository, right? We'll go to feature first. Okay, so the branch is one commit ahead, one commit behind main. Okay, so you can see my first change. This is a git tutorial, right? So we have done the changes. Okay, so now what we will do, we will do git merge here from our local git merge main. Okay, we are merging with the main branch. So merge made by the ORT strategy. This is our from our Git. Okay, our Git tool. So it has been merged. So now if we'll go to Git checkout main ls, if we will check cat read, so this has been done the changes, but we have not pulled it. So let's say git pull ready up to date. Okay, so let's say git merge feature first. Okay, so here what we have done, we have done the merge to main, but we are not in the main branch, we are in the feature first. So whenever we are doing the changes, okay, it is showing the merge has not been done because we are in the feature first. So how we can do any changes in the main branch? So that's why whenever we are doing the changes, it has not been reflected. See, my first change is that there is no second thing. So now whenever we come to main, after that we did git merge feature first. Now if we will see, our changes is done. This is my git tutorial. See, so whenever we want to do any changes in the branch or the base branch, you have to always present in the base branch. Then you will use the code git merge, and which branch changes you want to merge, you can put that branch name. This way you can do, there are two ways, or you can go to GitHub, you can do pull request, you can merge the changes. So ideal way is this one. Any organization you will do the changes from this way. You will create a pull request and you have to give the approval, then you will do the changes. This is not ideal way. This is our local way, git merge. If we'll do it, okay, if you are the sole contributor or you are the lead DevOps engineer or lead architect, you can do this, okay. But other developers who are the junior developers or junior DevOps engineers, they cannot do it. They have to take the approvals before do any changes, okay. So this is done, and our git merge is done. Now we'll understand about merge conflict, okay. What is merge conflict? So let's say we have readme md, we have git tutorial. I will edit this, I will delete this, right? So I've done some changes. I'll do git add, okay, git commit changes in the second line, okay. Then we'll do git push, okay. So git push, it's done. Push to the main branch. Now we'll go to git checkout feature, okay. So here what it is showing, your branch is ahead of origin feature first by 2 commits, okay. So you have to do the changes and your branch is ahead by 2 commit. Use git push to publish it the local commit, okay. We'll do it. Git push, okay. Let's say whatever the thing is there, it's been pushed, okay. Now what we'll do, we'll ls, okay, cat readme. We'll see, this is the change. We have done some changes. We have deleted this line in the main branch. Now what we will do, we will do some changes here in the feature branch, okay. Feature branch, when we will do, what we will do, let's say this is the first change. I will edit it. I will do, this is my second change, okay. Okay, so same I'll do git add, git commit, another change, okay, git push, okay. It's done. Now what we'll do, we'll go to git main, git checkout main, okay. We'll do git merge, right, feature. But it is showing suddenly, oh, this is some error, right? Conflict content, merge conflict is in readme, merge failed, fix conflicts, then commit the result, right? So whenever we are in the file, let's say I am in the one folder, DevOps new project. Okay. Okay. Mhm. So actually, I'll go to the terminal. 1 minute. My VS Code got stuck up. It's saying why you are playing around with me. Okay. So what I will do, I'll go to git bash. So this is the readme file which we are doing the changes, and now we are in the main branch, right? Main merging, but it is in the conflict stage. Okay. So we'll go to git checkout feature first. Okay. You need to resolve your current index first. Readme needs merging. See, its merge conflict is like that. So here, if we are in the feature first or we are in the main branch. Okay. Let's say we are in the git. Okay. So there are two changes. If we'll go to pull request, new pull request, we'll compare with feature. Okay. Can't actually merge. Okay. Because this is an error. Okay. Merge conflict is there. What we have done, we have done one change in the main branch, we have done another change in the feature branch. Two changes we cannot do in two branches, right? We have to do one change at a time. So both branches has been changed at a time and we are trying to merge. Okay. Either we have to make one change at a time in one branch, then we have to merge it, or we have to make one change in another branch, then we have to merge with another branch. At a time, both changes cannot be done in the branches. Okay. That's why merge conflict happened. So how we will resolve it? We will actually, this VS code is very good. It will show us the thing what we were missing. Okay. So see, this is the incoming change. This is the current change. Okay. So what we will do, we don't want this incoming change. Okay. We don't want this current change. Okay. So what I will do, I want, let's say, whatever is there in the previous thing, I will keep it that way. Okay. Now I have resolved this. Whatever the previous change was there, that is only. I have not make any changes. So I have done. Now this is done. Okay. So conflict has been done. So if you will now choose git merge feature, sorry, my bad, feature first. Okay. You have not concluded merge, merge head exist. Please commit your changes before merge. Okay, so we have not committed this, so let's commit it. Okay, okay, we will sync the two branches now. Okay, so now the merging has been done, already up to date, right? So merging conflict we can see this way. So let's say you are facing any merge conflict in your current branch or in your previous branch. You don't know who has made the changes, or he has not committed, or he has not updated you. So you have done in another branch changes and you are trying to merge in that branch. It will be a conflict because it is not comparing the thing, because it will compare. Git will always compare with the branches. Whatever in the previous branch, it should be updated. Okay, whenever the recent branch changes is there, it will merge to the previous branch. But let's say the previous branch has some changes, it is not updated in the latest branch, and in the latest branch you are changing something else, so obviously it will get confused, right? So this is the merge conflict. Okay, so now we'll go to the slide and we'll understand. Git merge branch, we already got to know. Merge code, but we have done. So now Git Diff, we have not discussed about Git Diff, right? So I will show you what is Git Diff. Okay, Git, sorry, my bad. Git Diff. Okay, Git Diff main. So now there is no changes. Okay, there is no changes. Whatever is the main and what is with the checkout feature. Okay, so let's say we are doing some changes. Huh? We are creating a test.sh file. Okay, and we are inserting something here. Okay, script file. Okay, this is my shell scripting file. I'm just getting, this is not, so whenever I have created a file, okay, I'll do git add, git commit. Okay, script file added. Okay, done. Git push. Okay, okay, so now git checkout main. Okay, now we'll see git diff feature first. See, if we are in the main, we'll compare with the feature first. We'll see this is the change. Okay, we have created a script file. Okay, inside feature first, which is being added, but in the main branch it is not there. Okay, so difference is that it's being added in the feature first, but it's not in the main branch, right? So in this way, we can also see the merge conflict. What are the changes? How we can do, we can check the merge conflict also. Okay, let's say here it is some changes, here it is some changes. So this is the merge conflict also we can do by git diff. Okay. Now we'll go to our slide and we'll see pull request. We already understand pull request. It lets you tell others about the changes you have pushed to branches of the repository. Git pull is the pull remote changes to local repository. Merge conflicts, if merge conflict occurs, then do the changes and we can do the merge conflict removal. So git status, we have checked to track the files in the git for versioning. Okay, git diff to check the exact changes of the files in the git. We already checked git diff. Git add to add the untracked files or modifies the files in the git. Git commit -m message after adding to commit the changes. Git log we can check the number of commits happened and track the version. Okay. Git reset hard. Okay. To switch version in the Git. Okay. Git rm is used to remove the file, and Git mv is used to move or rename the files. Okay. So git reset hard is, let's say you are in another commit. Okay. You have to change that to another commit ID. Let's say some changes you have done and you have to revert the changes. Okay. You go back to that another changes. You can do that. Okay. Let's see that. How will do that? Hmm, let's say ls. Now we'll see. Okay. Let's say clear. We'll see git log. So these are the so many commits we have done till now, whatever the changes we have done. Okay. Let's say we'll do quit, and we have quitted from this. So I am in the this state, right? Merge feature branch. This is the first thing we have done it. Okay. Let's say I will go to this commit. I don't want to be in this one. I want to go to this another change. Okay. So where this is another change, and this is another change, right? This is merge between two branches. Okay. So if I'll go to here, let's say copy git reset hard, sorry, my bad, hard commit id. Head is now at this one. Okay. Another change. So now we'll see git log. Okay. Head is at it. See git log, our head is at here. Okay. So now how we'll check it? ls at readme. This is my second tutorial. This is the git. Okay. So let's say I will do some changes. Okay. Insert. Git add will do. Git commit. Okay. Changes. I've done the changes, right? Now that this is my second change. Only this is there. Huh? We'll do git log. Log this one. Okay. Changes. Right. But I don't want this. I want this. Okay. I have made some wrong mistaken something which I don't know. Maybe now I know, but sometimes developers don't know what changes has been done. So they want to go to their previous commit. That's why we have this commit messages. We have this commit numbers. So from messages also we can understand what was the last changes we have done, right? So in this way, let's say I want to this. So we can do git reset hard. See the slide again. You'll see the git reset hard commit ID. Okay. Or we can go this git reset head -1. Last commit we can do this. Okay. First we'll do this, then we'll do that. Okay. Head is now at this. Now we'll check cat read. See, we are in, go back. We are as this. This is my second change. This is Git tutorial. We have made some changes, right? But we are in our previous commit now. That last commit, but we checked this one. This is my second change only, right? So it has been updated. Now we got our previous thing also. This is my second change and this is my Git tutorial. Both lines are intact because we went to previous commit. So this way we can revert things. Okay. If we have made any mistake or let's say you have pushed some codes and it is not working. Okay. So you want to revert that code. You can do the commit ID. You can do the reset. So that is the major use of Git. That's why we are using Git. We can revert the changes. We can track the changes. We can track the versioning. So this is the versioning. Okay. So in this commit ID, we can do the changes. Okay. There are other major thing and interview questions I will prepare. Okay. So let's say we can do this one. Git checkout feature first. Okay. So let's say I want to remove this, right? Test.sh. Sorry, my bad. Okay, I've removed it. It's not there. It's a simple git remove thing. Git rm. Okay. So I want to move to a new name or something. I can do git mb to rename the files. Okay. What is fork? Fork is a new repository that shares the code and visibility settings is originally upstream repository. It is a rough copy. Okay. Let's say you will go here. Okay. Okay. So this is our Git branch. Okay. This is the fork option. Okay. So let's anyone want to copy your repository, they can fork it. Let's say I will search here. Okay. Here I will search Kubernetes. Okay. I want to search Kubernetes. Okay. So you go, how many repository you got? 142,000 repositories. Let's say this is the Kubernetes repository. So if you want to fork this, okay, you want to make a copy and you can bring this to your own repository. Okay. So let's say you want to contribute something or you want to make some changes or you want this to be in your project or something, you can use the fork command. Okay. Let's say someone is the someone made it public, so only public kind of repository you can do fork. If private you want to do, you need the password and authentication kind of thing. Okay. Public you can do, you can click on fork and you can get a copy on your own. Let's say I want to do the fork. Okay. So you want to make the changes Kubernetes swah. Okay, you have made your own name. Okay. And you want to copy the master branch or you want to copy the another branch or something, so you can create the fork. Okay. Any copy of your any repository, any public repository, you can do fork. Okay. So that's done. So now uh, this is done. Any question answer, any doubts, we can discuss. In the next session, I will discuss about some of the Git differences. What is Git cherry pick? What is Git stash? What is difference between Git pull and Git fetch? And what is difference between Git merge and Git rebase? Okay, and why we are using all this and how in the industry we are utilizing all these things. And we will discuss about the questions you are being asked in the interview, so you will be very much prepared how to give the correct answers, and you will clear the interview. So our only target to help you to crack the interviews, to work effortlessly inside Git or any changes. Okay, so you can post in the videos any doubts or anything you want to ask. You can post it, I can answer. Thank you. Thank you guys.